Okay, go ahead. Definitely hearing the rear. Yeah. She thought she heard it more on the right side, but I hear equally. There's one, definitely, there it is. One click going back. And then it's always just one click going backwards. I do hear it in the rear more than the front, definitely. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, it's to me somewhere in the rear. It's between those two rear tires. It's that around the U-joint or the differential. That's where I'm hearing that. One more time, love. Yeah. Okay.